Today, we're going to explore the vibrant city of Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka is a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets modernity, and where the bustling streets are filled with the energy of its people. So, let's dive in and discover the best places to visit, the most fun activities, and the delicious food you can't miss out on during your trip to Dhaka. First, let's talk about the food. Dhaka is a foodie's paradise with a wide range of cuisines to choose from. From traditional Bangladeshi dishes to international favorites, you'll find it all here. One dish you absolutely must try is biryani, a rice dish cooked with spices and meat or vegetables. Another must-try is khichdi, a lentil and rice dish that's a staple in Bangladeshi cuisine. And of course, you can't leave Dhaka without indulging in some street food. The city is famous for its chaat, a spicy and tangy snack that's perfect for a quick bite. Now, let's talk about the fun activities you can enjoy in Dhaka. One of the best ways to explore the city is by taking a boat ride on the Buriganga River. This is a great way to see the city from a different perspective and take in the sights and sounds of Dhaka. If you're looking for a more adventurous experience, you can try your hand at rock climbing at the Dhaka Rock Climbing Center. And for a more relaxing activity, head to the Gulshan Lake Park, where you can enjoy a picnic or simply stroll around the lake. When it comes to hotels, Dhaka has a range of options to suit every budget. If you're looking for a luxurious stay, the Radisson Blu Dhaka Water Garden is a great choice. This hotel is located in a serene area, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and offers a tranquil oasis for its guests. Lastly, let's talk about the nightlife in Dhaka. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with a variety of bars, clubs, and restaurants to choose from. One of the most popular spots is the Dhaka Pub, which offers a great atmosphere and a wide range of drinks. So, there you have it, folks. A brief guide to the best places to visit, fun activities, food, and nightlife in Dhaka. Next, we will talk about Bangladesh and its culture. Stay tuned!
This chapter of our video we will explore Bangladesh. We are going to explore the vibrant and captivating country of Bangladesh. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the fun, food, hotels, landmarks, people, culture, tourist attractions, beaches, and natural beauty that Bangladesh has to offer. First and foremost, let's talk about the fun and exciting activities you can indulge in during your visit to Bangladesh. From exploring the bustling streets of Dhaka to visiting the historic sites of the old town, there's no shortage of entertainment here. If you're a nature lover, you'll be delighted to know that Bangladesh is home to the world's largest mangrove forest, the Sundarbans. Take a boat ride through these majestic forests and spot the elusive Bengal tiger. Now, let's talk about the food. Bangladesh is a foodie's paradise, with a rich culinary heritage that includes mouth-watering dishes like biryani, kebabs, and fish curry. Don't forget to try the local street food, such as kebab roll, which is a delicious wrap filled with spicy minced meat. When it comes to accommodation, Bangladesh offers a range of options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels. The Radisson Blu Dhaka Water Garden, for instance, is a stunning property that offers breathtaking views of the lake and the city. Moving on to landmarks, Bangladesh is home to several iconic structures, such as the National Parliament House, which is shaped like a boat and is the largest legislative building in the world. The Ahsan Manzil, a 19th-century palace, is another must-visit landmark. The people of Bangladesh are known for their warmth and hospitality. They are friendly and always ready to help, making your visit even more enjoyable. When it comes to culture, Bangladesh is a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. The country is home to several ethnic groups, each with their own unique customs and traditions. As for tourist attractions, Bangladesh has a plethora of options, from the historical sites of Old Dhaka to the natural beauty of the Sundarbans. The Cox's Bazar Beach, the longest sea beach in the world, is a must-visit for beach lovers. Finally, Bangladesh is a treasure trove of natural beauty, with lush green forests, picturesque rivers, and stunning landscapes. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of Bangladesh. I hope this has inspired you to plan your next adventure to this fascinating country. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting travel destinations. Until next time, happy travels!